What if your pilot said, "I'll figure it out mid-turbulence"? That's most business IT plans. Pilots don't wing it at 35,000 feet. They train for emergencies they hope never happen. So when something goes wrong, the response is already ready. Most businesses invest in backups and cybersecurity, check the box, and call it done. But here's the thing, having the tools is not the same as having a plan. When a real disruption hits ransomware, a system outage, critical files suddenly gone, the questions start flying fast. Who's in charge of the response? What do we recover first? How do we tell customers? And nobody wants to be answering those questions while the crisis is already unfolding. Spoiler alert, let's figure it out is not a recovery strategy. Think about two businesses hit by the exact same outage. One has a rehearsed plan. Their team knows the priorities, the roles, the next step. They're back up and communicating with customers before the other company has even decided who's in charge. Preparation is what separates a temporary disruption from a full-scale disaster. At A to Z in IT, we've helped small businesses right here in Charlotte navigate system failures, ransomware incidents, and outages that could have been catastrophic. The businesses that came out ahead weren't always running the fanciest tech. They had a plan and a partner who knew how to execute it. That's exactly what we do. So when disruption hits, will your team know precisely what to do, or will they be making it up as they go? Find out where you stand. Click the link in the description to schedule a free 10-minute discovery call with A to Z in IT. Or give us a call at 704-470-9009. Don't wait up for the turbulence to start.